Sir, may I start?
Sure.
Good evening, everyone. Today we have gathered here for a very special purpose to celebrate Engineers Day. Most respected Professor R.K. Dwivedi, Director and Principal, and my all engineers, although you are in teaching job, but you have the talent of an engineer. So I say all my respected colleagues as engineers today, I welcome you on this occasion to celebrate the Engineers Day. You know, Henry Petrosky say, science is for knowing and engineering is for doing, about doing. This is very correct. Scientists are working, they are giving the theories, but engineers are working on that to make the usable equipment or applicable things. So today, here we have gathered once again. I welcome our principal. We have already here. This is a very special day for the engineers. As you know, Moksha Mundam Visvesvaraya, and he is known as Sir MV, builder of India. He was born in Karnataka in a small village. In 1860 and 61, there is a doubt. And his father, Srinivasan Shastri, was Sanskrit scholar, and his mother was homemaker. You see, it was unfortunate that his father left this world at the age of 12 only. When he was of 12 years, the father died. So it was very difficult time for him to survive, to get education. But you know, genius are born. He was genius, he was hard worker, and at that time he completed his bachelor degree of civil engineering from Karnataka University. It was great achievement, and he was the first, he is considered as the first civil engineer who has done a lot. Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, he was the main builder, and he was guiding all the things at that time. You see, in Pune, there is a Kashakavi place, there is a dam, and always there was flood. So at that time, he made and he designed the doors to stop the flood water. And at that time, he patented also. He made the patent at that time. It was great achievement. You see, when Almighty become happy with us, we get everything. After that, he was serving India, and he got Bharat Ratna in 1955. It was great achievement for him. You see, work never goes astray. If you are working hard, we are dedicated, we are loyal to our profession, so definitely the things will change. And a day will come when we realize that this is our achievement. We all are working, but we must think that we must do something which can be served for the society. This is very, very important. And you see, the engineers are only the generation who have changed the entire world. They have changed by their ideas, by their innovations, and engineers have changed the entire world, and they have discovered everything by their pen and brain. We scientists are working, we can do something, we can do the equation, but how to implement, that is the work of the engineers. So today, sir, I have made a sequence of this. First of all, I would like to invite my speaker students. We have some students and they will connect with the Zoom and they will deliver a lecture on this day, Engineers Day. Sir, I will invite you. I think it will be good. हाँ, बाद में मैं ये सोच रहा था सर. So before starting the program, as you know, as usual, our faith and our worship is very, very important. I invite our director and principal, Professor R.K. Dwivedi sir, and other members to please join for Saraswati Puja and tribute to Sir M.V. Please. Please, if you cannot come, please stand up at least to respect this puja. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Now, before starting this program, I want to say something. As you know, which thing is achieved very easily nowadays? आजकल हम देखते हैं कि हर इंसान को धोखा बड़े आराम से दे देता है. Please maintain distance. Please. But which is the most difficult thing which is achieved with difficulty? That is इज्जत. इंसान अपने आप की अपनी डिग्निटी अपनी रेस्पेक्ट बनाता है अपने काम से. And this is very true. And we have the example. You see, sir, he is always working like a perpetual machine. One day, it was 11 o'clock in the night, I received a message and I immediately saw. So my wife sometimes say, why are you seeing every time? So that was the message of sir. So she asked me, is your principal getting more salary? He is working up to 11. So you see the means level of hard work. He is working since morning till night. And this is only the reason that he is getting respect everywhere. In every paper, in every magazine, you will see Professor R.K. Dwivedi. This is great achievement for this college, and we are very fortunate that really, and this such people like our Sir M.V., you see, their people are very rare who are working for this. So in this continuation, I would like to invite our students. Who is connected? Rahul Jain, electrical third year.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
connect.
sir. Yes, sir. I'm here. Sir, may I start? Hello. Sir, may I start?
Hello. Rahul Jain, please
Yes, sir.
start.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Start, please.
Good afternoon, respected director, sir, and all the faculty members and all the hosts present over here. I'm greatly thankful to the host for providing me this opportunity to speak over here. I am Rahul Jain. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor's of technology in electrical branch third year from Faculty of Engineering and Computing Sciences, Moradabad. First of all, I would like to draw your attention toward the crucial steps which our university took of conducting exams, online classes, webinars, even during the pandemic caused due to the COVID-19. And we all really appreciate that, as we are well aware of why Engineers Day is celebrated on this day. It is because of Sir Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya, who was one of the first in India to think about irrigation techniques and flood disaster management. He became famous for his pioneering work in flood management measures. Engineers actually are professionals who invent, design, analyze, build, and test machines, complex systems, structure, gadgets, and materials to fulfill functional objectives and requirements. There are many types of engineering branches available in India, like aerospace, chemical, electrical, electronics, mechanical, civil, management engineering, and many more. Thank you. It was really a pleasure for me to attend the webinar. Thank you all for listening to me so carefully. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rahul Jain. Now I invite Akansha Singh. She is passed out electrical student. Akansha Singh, we welcome you. Please start.
वो अपना करे अपना वहां से होगा उसके स्क्रीन से
हेलो,
चैट आ रहा है, जब ऑप्शन लिखा हो चैट पे
अनम्यूट करो अपना। आकांक्षा,
Good afternoon,
good afternoon.
our respected director sir and our faculty members. My name is Akansha Singh from BTech Electrical final student, final pass out students. First of all, wish you all a very happy Engineers Day. Thank you so much our faculty members कि आपने हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी। हमारे देश में बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट डेज हैं जो हर साल सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं, जैसे टीचर्स डे, चिल्ड्रंस डे, लेबर डे। इन द सेम वे 15 सितंबर को यानी कि आज इंजीनियर्स डे है। इस दिन को भी हम बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। यह दिन भारत रत्न सर मोक्षगुंडम विश्वेश्वरैया के बर्थ एनिवर्सरी के रूप में मनाया जाता है। सर मोक्षगुंडम विश्वेश्वरैया को हम एमपी के नाम से भी जानते हैं, जो कि एक महान इंजीनियर थे। इसलिए उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए इस दिन को हम इंजीनियर डे के नाम से जानते हैं। दुनिया में जितने भी इंजीनियर्स हैं उनको सम्मानित करने के लिए इस दिन को हम मनाते हैं। आज हमारे देश में इंजीनियर्स हर क्षेत्र में तरक्की कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि कोविड-19 की वजह से हमें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ी हैं। बच्चों के स्कूल बंद हो गए हैं, कॉलेज बंद हो गए हैं, इसकी वजह से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई हैं। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई हैं। इस सब के चलते हमने हमारा प्रोजेक्ट प्रिडिक्टिव एक्सीडेंट प्रिवेंशन सिस्टम फॉर व्हीकल सेफ्टी ऑन शार्प टर्न ऑन हिली रोड्स लेकिन पर हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है, लेकिन हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स और डायरेक्टर सर प्रोफेसर राकेश कुमार द्विवेदी आप सभी के सपोर्ट से हमें ये गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है कि हम पेटेंट विद गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हुए हैं। डॉक्टर गरिमा गोस्वामी मैम आपने हमें बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा गाइड किया है, जिसकी वजह से हमने यह प्रोजेक्ट को पेटेंट विद गवर्नमेंट इंडिया किया है। इसीलिए थैंक यू सो मच आवर फैकल्टी मेंबर्स एंड रिस्पेक्टेड डायरेक्टर सर। एट लास्ट आई विश आप सभी हैप्पी रहें एंड हेल्दी रहें। थैंक यू सो मच। हैप्पी इंजीनियर्स डे।
Thank you very much, Akansha Singh. Now, in the continuation, I want to invite Uday Jain. Uday Jain, CS third year student, please.
Hello, sir, am I audible?
Yes.
We built the word civil engineer. We built the magic word computer engineer. We connect the word electronics and communication engineer. We are the power of the word electrical engineer. We move the word mechanical engineer. We run the word. We are engineers. A very warm good afternoon to the director, our dynamic principal, our faculty members, and all my dear colleagues present here. I, Uday Jain, a student of BTech CS third year, is here to deliver a speech on Engineers Day. Everybody says engineering is so easy that it is just like walking in the park, but only engineers know that park is called Jurassic Park. Engineers Day celebration in India are held every year on September 15 in commemoration of the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Sir Moksha Gundam Vishweshwarya. He was the most illustrious Indian engineer and an eminent scholar and statesman. Engineers Day was first observed in the year of 1968, and ever since it has been one of the most significant occasions in Indian academia, especially observed by engineering communities across India. The year 2020 will mark the 50th anniversary of Engineers Day celebration and the 159th birth anniversary of Sir Vishweshwarya. Why do we celebrate Engineers Day? Sir Mokshika Gundam Vishweshwarya, also known as Sir MV, is considered as the father of Indian engineering due to his enormous contributions and innovations in the field of engineering and development of society. To honor and acknowledge his understanding, contributions, as well as inspiring and acquainting future generations with his exceptional body of work and achievements, his birth anniversary has been celebrated as Engineers Day in India since 1968. Thus, Engineers Day is celebration of role and significance engineers play in nation building and their persistent endeavors towards making the world a better and comfortable place. Sir MV was born on September 15, 1861 in Muddenhali village, Chikkabalapura district of erstwhile Mysore state. He is best known for his design of block system of irrigation, flood controlling mechanism, and inventing and patenting an innovative design of automatic floodgates for dams for causing the excess inflow to pass safely without raising the water level, amongst myriad others. In 1915, he was honored with the title of Knight Commander of the Order of Indian Empire by King George V, post-independence. In recognition of his unparalleled contributions, the Government of India conferred upon him its highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1955. Sir MV took his last breath on April 12, 1962 in Bengaluru, India. Engineering Day on one hand enlighten students about the life and endeavors of Sir MV and urge them to install the dedication and brilliance that he exhibit towards his chosen field and career. On the other hand, Engineers Day provides an opportunity to the current generation of engineers to ponder and reflect on the various problems the society and nation face and how to channelize the collective and individual efforts for arriving at the best and most effective solution. The Indian engineering industry has emerged as a dynamic sector to the country's industrial economy and has made the country self-reliant in key areas. Being the largest foreign exchange earner in the country, the engineering sector gets around 63% of share through foreign collaborations. At the end, I would like to conclude my words by a famous saying that 4 years, 40 subjects, 400 experiments, 4,000 assignments, 40,000 hours. A normal human cannot do it. Those superheroes are called engineers. Happy Engineers Day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Professor, for fabulous delivery. Now, in the continuation, I would like to invite Prerna, BTech CS, final year student.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Engineers like to solve problems. If there are no problems handily available, they will create their own problems. A warm good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Prerna Jain, BTech CS 4th year student. I am here to enlighten you about Engineers Day. Engineering is not only the study of 45 subjects, but it is the moral studies of intellectual life. A world without an engineer is like a bike without wheels. Today happens to be the birthday of one of the greatest sons of India. September 15th is designated as Engineers Day in the loving memory of great engineer Moksha Gundam Vishwaswaraya. In 1955, Vishwaswaraya was awarded a Bharat Ratna, the gem of India. He was a gem of mankind itself. The block system which he invented, the automatic doors which he devised to stop wasteful overflow of water, the water supply and drainage system which he planned for the city of Eden, these won high praise from engineers all over the world. He was a genius. Now, personally, as an engineer, I would like to share a few of my own experiences. An engineering student is expected to excel both in academics as well as other co-curricular activities. Recently, I have participated in Smart India Hackathon, which exposed me a lot towards industrial environment. Apart from all these things, it helps me a lot in developing my interpersonal skills. It demands a lot of strength to be a good engineer. Here is the fact that India has the highest range of students choosing a career in engineering throughout the world. Thus, India is considered as the largest producer of engineers. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Engineers Day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prerna, for your outstanding delivery. Now, I would like to invite Tripti Jain, EC 3rd year student. Tripti, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir. A very good afternoon to respected principal, sir, and all the teachers. My name is Trapti Jain. I am from BTech 3rd year from Electronics and Communication branch. Today, I want to say something about engineers. Engineers Day is dedicated to those without them every machine would not have been made. A day dedicated to those without them no one would have been able to fly. No one would have been able to make their homes. No one would have been able to watch television. No one would have been able to communicate with the long distance. So from mobile phones to airplane, television to satellite, everything is possible because of engineers. Every day, a new technology comes in to take human to the next level, to give them from basic desire to their basic needs. We are engineers. 100 such instances of Vishweshniya's discipline and devotion to work be listed. He once said, the curse of our country is laziness. At first sight, everyone seems to be working, but in fact, one man works and the other simply watch him. As someone said with contempt, it looks as if 5 men are working, but rarely only one man works. One man will be doing nothing, one man will be resting, another man will be watching them, yet another man will be helping these three. In the last, I just want to say that for be a good engineer, there should be a good college to become successful engineer. And Tirthankar Mahavir University is one of them. Happy Engineers Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Give me a round of applause for her. Now, I would like to invite Sankalp Jain, BSc second year physics. Sankalp.
Good evening, sir. Hello, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, you start.
Yes, sir. Good evening to one and all present here. Respected principal, sir. Respected faculty members. Today, I am virtually present in front of you all to tell something about Engineers Day. Sir Mokshagundam Vishweshwarya, commonly known as Sir MB, was an Indian civil engineer. His birthday, 15th of September, is celebrated as Engineers Day in India, Sri Lanka, and Tanzania. He was the chief engineer of Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in northwest suburb of Mysore city. He also was one of the chief engineer of flood protection system of city of Hyderabad. Engineers Day. Engineers Day is dedicated to those without which every machinery, every equipment, every tools is a waste. A day to those without no one could build a home, could fly, or could communicate long distances. From mobile phone to aeroplane, from television to satellite, everything is possible because of engineers. Scientists give us equations, theories, and ideas about something, but the transformation is done by engineers. We engineers have old habits to find gem in the stone. Because of engineers, our life is very luxurious and in efficient way. Last but not the least, we build the world. Yes, I am a civil engineer. We build the magical world. Yes, I am a computer science engineer. We connect the world. Yes, I am electronic communication engineer. We power the world. Yes, I am electrical engineer. We move the world. Yes, I am mechanical engineer. We all run the world. Therefore, we are engineers. Happy Engineers Day to all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sankalp. Now, our students have delivered the outstanding and very attractive speeches on this day, on the Engineers Day. Now, the work cannot be completed without the contribution of our faculty. In continuation of this, I would like to invite Mr. Tushar Malhotra. Please, Mr. Tushar, please give a round of applause. He is coming here to deliver lecture. Please.
Thank you, sir. And respected director and principal, sir, Professor R.K. Trivedi, sir, HOD, sir, all program coordinators, and my dear colleagues. Engineer Day is dedicated to those without them, every machine would not have been made. In India, this day is celebrated by engineering fraternity on 15 September every year. The day was selected because it is the birthday of legendary engineer Dr. M. Visvesvaraya. He is known to be the greatest engineer of all time, who, with his vision and dedication in the field of engineering, made some exemplary contributions. He was intentionally recognized for his genius efforts in harnessing the water resources, successful design, and the construction of several dams across the India. Finally, he was awarded the most important prize of India, the Bharat Ratna. Engineering is not merely to know and be knowledgeable like walking with an encyclopedia, but rather to be consistent with all the words that we carry on into our lives. Finally, I would like to thank everyone and a very happy Engineers Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tushar sir. Now, I'm going to introduce a very outstanding, very hardworking. He has the habit of making patents. In this year, he has made 2 patents, I think, with one students and one his own. And his name is very talented Dr. Pankaj. Please, Dr. Pankaj, please give a round of applause for this young and energetic person.
First of all, thank you very much, Dr. C. You're always coming up here. I'm a pillar. So, before going to start, my sincere gratitude to Honorable Director Sir, all the respected faculty members, my dear colleagues, and all the staff members who are working up here, and just creating this day good for us and creating a memory for all of us. And then after coming on that word, which is the engineer, definitely my all gratitudes and my all sincerity or respect goes to that word. This is the only word because of that we are right now having the bread and butter. Not only we, but definitely we seek out the society. So number of the institutions and number of the areas are there where we are just receiving this one. Second, not only we are receiving the bread and butter, but the kind of living standard we have, that is just only because of the engineering. So engineering is basically that cause which is creating our day a better. Today, what we are exactly having, we are moving towards tomorrow. That tomorrow will be just given by the engineers, and definitely I respect it. Now coming up a point why we are celebrating this one. So as number of the talks are already there, we have already gone through that. I'm just repeating all these one here. And definitely I go with all these one, what kind of a respect already given to Sir MB, Mosh Kundam, Vishwasariya sir, definitely has done a lot of things. Bharat Ratna, lot of respect for him. Apart from them, no, I'm just looking just only for the vision purpose, because I think always like whatever the personality, whatever the colossal is there, most important part is there, what we are able to receive from him. The part is perception. If I talk about basically an engineer, so engineer's perception is somewhat like, please try to find out among these 2 or 3 lines. If suppose I'm talking about a glass, and if this glass is filled of water, it is half filled of water, and I'm talking about a person who's somewhat related with literature or having a great intellect or having some sort of the knowledge of science, they'll say, yeah, I'm an optimist person. I say this glass is half filled of water. Then coming up to the next second, the person who is pessimist, basically we call it that. And they are also a kind of a thinker. We cannot say they are definitely abundant part of the society. Pessimist, if we talk about that, they say, oh, the half of the glass is empty. But if I'm talking about the perception of an engineer, that tells us, wow, that's so great. I have a glass which is just twice what I required. So this is what the perception of an engineer. It is looking kind of the resources, what exactly I need and what are the other else resources I do have. This is the important. Next, coming on a point, like talking about the engineering. And I just say that during the engineering, I just always think when I started my BTech, I found myself as an engineer and started working there. Then came to the ANTech and come up the PhD. So that engineer has completely dead now. If I'm not talking about generally, it happens. Engineer is completely dead now. And every day I try to recall and reincarnate that engineer, please come up and do something for the society. If suppose I'm thinking, I'm trying to do something and I'm not able to implement and able to devising it for the society, I'm not engineering. Engineering is not somewhat related with the science we are studying on the books. Engineering is not related with the science we are having on table, not related with this room, not related with this campus. Engineering is something what which we are able to make it and able to provide to the society. So the next day, not only we, our society, our family members, others will be using that. So my words are here. So as we people are here, try to incarnate your engineers. This is the true gratitude of the personality. For that, we are just celebrating this day. Please try to do that. That is only the good thing. Because it may be possible, because Thomas Edison already said that my failures, 1,000 times of failures, were not my failures. That was the 1,000th way I discovered to make a bulb. Fine. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Pankaj, for your experience and perception for engineering. Now you know the next name I have, Mr. Manish Dhingra, but he fell. He's not feeling well, he told me. Sir, would you like to say something?
थैंक यू सर। थोड़ा सा सर ने मुझे हेल्प करने की कोशिश करी। एक्चुअल में सौदा तो ये हुआ था कि सर अगर लोग समय ज़्यादा और कम हो तो मुझे बुला लीजिएगा, और अगर प्रोग्राम ठीक ठीक जा रहा हो टाइम तो फिर मत बुलाइएगा, लेकिन सर ने बुला लिया तो थोड़ा सा मैं बोल देता हूँ। जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स रहे या अभी पंकज सर ने बहुत अच्छा इंजीनियरिंग को डिफाइन करने की कोशिश की, मैं थोड़ा सा इसको, अगर आप गुस्ताखी है और सर की इजाज़त हो तो मैं आज थोड़ा सा इंजीनियरिंग को डिफाइन करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि क्यों हम इस दिन को मनाते हैं। क्योंकि विश्वेश्वरैया जी वो इंसान थे जिन्होंने एक्चुअल में, जिसको हम इंजीनियरिंग कहते हैं, उसको उसकी भावना के साथ जिया, और समाज को उन्होंने जो कुछ दिया वो केवल इसीलिए दे पाए क्योंकि वो उस भावना के साथ जिए। देखिए, इंजीनियरिंग की अगर फॉर्मल डेफिनेशन आप देखें जो बुक्स में रेयरली मिलती है, लेकिन किस्मत से ये मुझे कहीं पढ़ने को मिली थी, और 1992 में मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम विश्वेश्वरैया जी का नाम सुना था जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर की इंजीनियरिंग के सेशन में गया था। मेरे प्रोफेसर ने ये डेफिनेशन बोली थी वहाँ, और तब से वो मुझे याद हो गई। और मैं आपको डेफिनेशन अगर आप याद है तो बोलता हूँ। उन्होंने कहा था कि इंजीनियरिंग इज अ बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज दैट इज गेन्ड बाय स्टडी, एक्सपीरियंस एंड प्रैक्टिस so as to utilize our resources in a best optimal manner in order to serve the mankind। जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स ने कहा या पंकज सर ने कहा, एक सिंपल क्रक्स यही निकलता है कि इंजीनियरिंग वो स्टडी ऑफ नॉलेज है, वो प्रोफेशन है। इंजीनियरिंग अपने आप में, देखिए हम प्रोफेशन वर्ड का यूज करते हैं किसी भी ऑक्यूपेशन के लिए। यू आर इन विच प्रोफेशन, तो मतलब आई एम इन बिजनेस। एक्चुअल में प्रोफेशन अपने आप में, अगर हम इंजीनियरिंग को प्रोफेशन कह रहे हैं, प्रोफेशन अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी टर्म है। प्रोफेशन हम हर ऑक्यूपेशन को नहीं कह सकते। प्रोफेशन हम उसको कहते हैं जहाँ पे एक बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज हो, और वो बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज आप एक्वायर करते हैं। उस नॉलेज को देने की जो डिग्री है वो एक बॉडी होगी जो वही आपको दे सकती है। चौथी बात ये होगी कि वो नॉलेज सिर्फ अपने आप को सर्व करने के लिए, अपने इकोनॉमिक गेन्स के लिए नहीं है, बल्कि वो नॉलेज किसके लिए है, दैट इज टू सर्व द सोसाइटी। तो फॉर्चुनेटली हम सब उस प्रोफेशन के साथ जुड़े हैं। हम टीचर्स भी हैं। टीचिंग को भी प्रोफेशन क्यों कहा गया? क्योंकि वो अपना पैसा कमाने का ये धंधा नहीं है। इट इज टू सर्व अवर स्टूडेंट्स, सर्व द सोसाइटी। सिमिलरली फॉर डॉक्टर्स, लॉयर्स, इनका जो मेन भावना है वो है कि हमें सोसाइटी को सर्व करना। तो हम सब इंजीनियर उस प्रोफेशन में हैं जहाँ पे हमारा मकसद है कि हम सोसाइटी को सर्व करें, मैनकाइंड को सर्व करें। और दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि ये जो नॉलेज हम ले रहे हैं, ये नॉलेज बड़ी तपस्या से मिलती है। डेफिनेशन में कहा, इट इज गेन्ड बाय स्टडी, प्रैक्टिस एंड एक्सपीरियंस। समय के साथ, अनुभूति के साथ आप इस नॉलेज को अगर करेंगे तो उस मूल भावना से जुड़ पाएंगे कि हमें समाज को कुछ देना है। तो ये मेरा सर छोटा सा प्रयास था, और समय का अभाव है, और विश्वेश्वरैया जी ने बिल्कुल इस इंजीनियरिंग की डेफिनेशन को सार्थक किया, उन्हें भारत रत्न से सम्मानित किया। हम सब हर साल इकट्ठे होते हैं, और आज का दिन मेरे लिए स्पेशल इसलिए हो गया क्योंकि डायरेक्टर सर ने मुझे आज अचानक, मुझे आरपी का फोन आया 11 बजे कि सर एक व्हाट्सएप है कि आप थोड़ा इंजीनियर डे को कोऑर्डिनेट करा दीजिए। तो मैंने कहा सर ने यार बिल्कुल सही आदमी चुना, जिसके बाद व्हाट्सएप भी नहीं है। अब लेकिन मैंने कहा ठीक है, तो मैंने वो कोशिश करी कि ये काम बन जाए। तो इंजीनियर का आजकल एक इम्पॉर्टेंट काम और भी है, वो है मैनेज करना। तो आज का ये जो पीरियड है, ये कोविड का जो दौर है, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हमें मैनेज करनी पड़ रही हैं। कोविड ने हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया। तो मैंने भी आज छोटा सा प्रयास किया सर, और आपको सर को हंसी आई, आपको अच्छा लगा। तो और असीम सर का मैं स्पेशल धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सर ने मेरे प्रयासों को अपने ऊपर ले लिया। सर
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू वेरी मच मनीष जी। Now the time has come. I'm going to introduce the person who has the capability to ignite brains. He has the power to make impossible to possible. And this is true. And the person, Professor R.K. Dwivedi sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Asim. Respected head of the departments, coordinator of today's program, my worthy colleague, Shri Manish Dhingra ji. Yeah, in the morning, usually I text something in our group, either that is related with some work or some event or some general wish. So today, once I greeted the Engineers Day, I was thinking that I was recalling last year. So that I got little ignition in my mind that how we could celebrate. Then I texted again. However, that text was to coordinate, and thereafter I was having my class and all. Once I get free, I spoken to RP Singh ji that what is going on. RP told, sir, I have not got any information. So I told him, you communicate with Dhingra sir. He will tell you that progress. And thereafter Dhingra ji has told. However, one thing he missed. He told few supporting colleagues I want. So I said, this is the institutional event and we all are the part of the institution. Let us establish the coordination and connect the students. And I'm thankful to the team, special thanks to Dhingra sir that whatever I indicated, that connect the student, and this is really a wonderful that all the students are connected in very short span of time. Rupal Gupta ji is equally, I'm thanking him that in very short span of time he has communicated to the students of computer science. However, many definition of engineers is explored and discussed. Engineers at concept level, if I talk, are having two capabilities: to establish the coordination, to perform the task among us various machineries, various parts, or what you can say various entities. If he or she is not able to establish the coordination, he challenged it, even though he challenged the nature as well. That we are gearing up for transformation either by coordination or by action. So whatever we see in this real world in form of tangible world, it's the creation of engineers. And since last 30 years, the innovation is in very high pace. The invention growth is rapid. If you compare the Industrial Revolution Part 1, 1700, then in 1800, where machinistic revolution, and we are saying that energy reforms, and third one in the era of transistors, and fourth one is related to IT, and now IT, IoT, iOS, IoD, and in many ways. So this is really good that people are trying to learn and connect the imagination and applying the application of science to transform those imagination in form of reality. As of now, in fact, now The Steve Jobs is not here. He is also remembered equally in the era of engineering and technology. How to transform the imagination in the form of reality. Sir MV, Mokshagundam Visveswaraya, he is very renowned engineer, in fact. Though he is physically not with us, however, he applied the concept of civil engineering on those days where we were not having a very advanced kind of concepts to create the river, to build the dam. So as Pankaj has told, that optimum use of resource. So he has established a better coordination among various parts of machinery and did it and helped the mankind at large. If I talk about engineering profession, before going to the profession, I am just discussing the aspect of thinking aspects of various engineers. एक बार पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ। एक बार एक कार में कई सारे इंजीनियर्स बैठे हुए थे और वो कार बंद हो गई। अब सब उसमें से सबसे पहले जो है वो केमिकल इंजीनियर जो है वो निकल के आया और देखा। He said this is the fuel. Fuel is not appropriate, इसलिए ये कार जो है वो बंद हो गई। फिर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर भी नीचे आया, देखा, बोले नहीं, there is no fuel problem. I think this is the problem of engine. Engine is not functioning well. अच्छा, उसके बाद जो है इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर नीचे, सभी दोस्त जा रहे थे पार्टी करने। इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर ने देखा, engine is something doing well. I think there is problem with something related with the ignition and energy combination. And there was the computer engineer and electronics engineer were also there. So they came, and civil engineer was also there. When civil engineer came outside, मैं तो पहले ही बोल रहा था इसका तो डिजाइन ही खराब है इस कार का, ये से तो बंद होना ही था, that is not compatible with the nature. I think this car is having some design fault. कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर ने देखा तो ऐसा सब लोग नीचे आ जाओ, थोड़ी देर बाद इसको रीस्टार्ट करो, बनता है ये स्टार्ट होता है। तो ये जो है हर एक का अपना अपना परसेप्शन होता है चीजों को विजुअलाइज करने में, ठीक है। However, engineering is a very renowned profession. Since last, I think after independence, this profession is very much in demand and respected, especially in Indian context. If I talk, we Indians are only known to the engineering and the rest other professions are the byproduct of his or her education. First attempt में वो aspire इन्हीं दो प्रोफेशन के लिए करते हैं, फिर अगर इनमें से कुछ नहीं हो पाता तो बाकी प्रोफेशन आते हैं, चाहे वो वकील बन जाएं, चाहे वो बाद में यूपीएससी क्वालिफाई करके सरकारी बन जाएं। But at initial level, in everybody's mind, these two professions, in fact, 2 साल का ग्राफ अगर छोड़ दें तो उसके पहले का ग्राफ highest appearance in examination, competitive examination was known to give maximum participation, and qualifying is toughest. However, if I talk about the modern era of engineering and technology, so almost things are tied with four components. All things are in form of tagging, are in form of sensing, in form of shrinking with the help of nanotechnology, with the help of material science. This devices are shrinking. And this is the era of machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. Last thing comes as a thinking. What I can say, you have to create either the hardware or software which is having some kind of thinking things inbuilt with the devices. Either that is hardware devices or that is a software. We as a teacher, what is our role? Our role is to understand the concept effectively and connect those concepts and principles with the application. And students must learn this practice, because by this, his or her visualization will emerge. He or she may start thinking by that way. Yes, this can also happen. We can do this, and by this, he or she can think in some other aspect as well. So by these words, I am thankful to the organizers and my best wishes to all my worthy colleagues. Happy Engineers Day once again. And last but not least, thank you very much to Dr. Asim for wonderful this, execution of this Engineers Day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivating words, and definitely we are always ready to accept the challenges, sir. Our team is very strong, and at any time you can invite us to do any program. Manish Dhimraj is here, Neha Anand, Dr. Garima, Dr. Pankaj. So we all are ready. Okay. So please. So this is a very good day, and once again, I would like to congratulate to everyone on this auspicious day. But nobody will go without national anthem. Please stand up, and because we are celebrating this day for a hero who was superstar of that time. Thank you very much.
मीटिंग